Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematical Mindset. Right here we have this nice algebra problem and we are to solve for the value of x. So guys, the first thing you want to do right here is to simply factor out the square root of x from the left hand side. So doing that, we have this to be the square root of x into x plus 1 and this is equal to 10. So the next thing we want to do right here is to simply divide both sides by x plus 1. So this is going to cancel out this. We have this to be the root of x is equals to 10 over x plus 1. So next thing we have to do here is to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, this is going to cancel out this. We have this to be x equals to 10 square is 100 and we have the denominator to be x plus 1 all square. So next thing we have to do is to simply multiply through by the denominator, which is x plus 1 all square, to get rid of it. So we have this to be x plus 1 all square multiply x is equal to 100 divide x plus 1 all square multiply x plus 1 all square. So this is going to cancel out this. So from here we have this to be x plus 1 all square multiply x is equals to 100. So in order for us to be able to solve for the left hand side, we want to apply this formula that says a plus b all square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where we have a to be equals to x and b is equals to 1. So applying this to the left hand side, we have that a is x squared, so this becomes x squared plus 2 multiply x multiply 1 plus 1 square multiply x is equals to 100. So we have x square plus 2 multiply x multiply 1 is going to give us 2x plus 1 square is 1 multiply x and this is equals to 100. So multiply through by x is become x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x multiply x is 2x square plus 1 multiply x is going to give us plus x and this is equals to 100. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange and set the equation to 0. So doing that, we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x square plus x minus 100 and this is equals to 0. So right here we want to simply apply the rational root theorem. So applying the natural root theorem right here, all we have to do is to find the factors of 100. So we want to simply find the possible roots of 100. So the possible roots of 100, now I'm just going to write it out right here. So for the possible roots, we have 1 plus minus 1 multiply 100 is 100. We also have plus minus 2, that is 2 times 50 is 100. We have plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 20, plus minus 25, plus minus 50, and lastly plus minus 100. Now all of this right here can multiply to give us 100, alright? So from here we have this. So we want to simply test for the possible roots. So guys, in order for us not to waste much time in this video, I was able to test for 1, 2, and that is not a possible root of 100. So right here I want to quickly go on to testing for x equals to plus 4. Alright, x equals to plus 4. Anywhere we see x in this equation, we want to simply put in 4. So for x, we want to simply put in 4. So from here we have this to be 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 multiply 4 all square plus 4 minus 100 and this is equals to 0. So from here 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64 plus 4 square is 16. 16 multiplied 2 is going to give us 32 plus 4 minus 100 and this is equals to 0. So solving for this, we are going to have 0 equals to 0. So therefore we can say that x equals to plus 4 is a possible root. So since we're already having a possible root, the next thing we want to do is to simply divide the polynomial, and we have the polynomial to be x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus x minus 100. We want to simply divide this polynomial by the possible roots, and if we take in this plus to the left hand side, this is going to become x minus 4. And we are going to divide this polynomial by making use of the long division method. So applying the log division method, we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus x minus 100, and we are going to divide this by x minus 4. So x divide x cubed, we are going to have this to be x squared multiply x, we have this to be x cubed, x squared multiply minus 4, we have this to be minus 4 squared. So subtracting this, we are going to have this to be x cubed minus x cubed is 0. 2x squared minus minus 4x squared is going to give us 6x squared plus x minus 100. Alright, so x divides 6x squared, we're going to have plus 6x. Plus 6x multiply x, we have this to be 6x squared. 6x multiply minus 4, we're going to have minus 24x. So subtracting this, we have this to be 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. Plus x minus minus 24x will give us 25x minus 100. Alright, so dividing this, x divides 25x, we are going to have plus 25. 25 multiply x is 25x, and 25 multiply minus 4, we are going to have minus 100, and subtracting this, it becomes 0, 0. So right here we have the quotient to be x squared plus 6x plus 25. So at this point, we can easily say that the polynomial, we have this, the polynomial which is given as x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus x minus 100 factored as x minus 4 multiply x squared plus 6x plus 25, and this is equals to 0. So we have x minus 4 equals to 0 and x squared plus 6x plus 25 equals to 0. So from here we have that x is equals to 0 plus 4 and x1 is equals to 4. So I'm going to call this the first value of x. So to solve for the second value of x, we want to simply solve by making use of the quadratic formula. And we have the quadratic formula to be x equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide 2a. And we have it to be equals to 1, b is equals to 6, and c is equals to 25. So putting this, we have this to be x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the square root of b squared, which is 6 squared minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 25 divide 2 multiply 1, and x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the square root of 6 squared is 36 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 25 will give us minus 100 divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the square root of 36 minus 100 is going to give us minus 64 divide 2. Alright, so from here x is equals to minus 6 plus minus, now minus 64 can be expressed as 64 multiply negative 1 divide 2. From here we have this to be x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the root of 64 multiply the root of negative 1 over 2. But the root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we have x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the root of 64 is 8 and the root of negative 1 is I over 2. Alright, so guys, in order for us to be able to get rid of the denominator, which is 2, all we have to do is to factor 2 from the numerator. So from here, x is equals to, if we factor out 2, we have this to be minus 3 plus minus 4i over 2. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have x, 2 and 3 to be equals to minus 3 plus minus 4i, and this become the other values of x right here. So hence we have the values of x to be, so the value of x, we have that x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 3 plus minus 4i, and this is the complex root, and we have x equals to 4 to be the real root. So these are the values of x to this question right here, that says that x into the square root of x plus the root of x is equals to 10. So we have been able to solve this question right here. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to Mathematical Mindset and give this video a thumbs up.